In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove Add to Cart button in Shopify. This is a helpful change if you want customers to browse without purchasing right away, if you are building a catalog-only store, or if you are preparing a product page before it goes live. We will do this using the Shopify theme editor, which means you are not editing code. It is a clean and reversible change. Start by going to your Shopify admin. From there, go to Online Store, then Themes. On your current theme, select Customize. This opens the visual editor where you can adjust what appears on your storefront. Next, look near the top of the editor for the Page Selector dropdown. This dropdown lets you preview and edit specific templates. Open it and switch to Products. Then choose Default Product. This is important because the Add to Cart button lives on the product template, not on the homepage or collection pages. If you have multiple product templates, make sure you are editing the one your products actually use, but for most stores, Default Product is the correct choice. Now focus on the left sidebar. This area lists the sections and blocks that make up the product page. Locate the section called Product Information. Click into it if it is collapsed so you can see the blocks inside. Within Product Information, find the block named Buy Buttons. This block controls the purchase actions, including the Add to Cart button and often the dynamic checkout button as well. To remove the Add to Cart button from the product page, click the eye icon next to the Buy Buttons block. When the eye icon is toggled off, the entire block is hidden, and customers will no longer see those buy options on that product template. Take a moment to confirm the change in the preview on the right. If you do not see the button anymore, you are ready to lock it in. Click Save in the top right to publish the update. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.